दैनिक निष्पक्ष पोस्ट, दर्पण सच का, समय से पहले, खबर से आगे।
Hello and welcome. You're watching Dainik Nishpaksh Post, where the news is not about sides, it's about the truth. Unbiased, unfiltered, for the people.
International Conference at Dr. Viren Sarup College of Management Studies, Kanpur. Dr. Gauri Singh Gaur started the program with lighting of the lamp. Detailed discussion was held on the topic Women Empowerment. The main keynote speaker Yashi Avasthi, National Senate Speaker Sapna Upadhyay, and FICCI Flow President Kriti Shroff. Chief guest of the program Ms. Archana Singh, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police, and Dr. J.P. Pandey, Vice Chancellor of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Dr. Viren Sarup Memorial Trust Chairperson, Dr. Mini Sarup Secretary, Dr. Alachendra Sarup Trustee, Ms. Neha Sarup, Joint Secretary, Ms. Akanksha Sarup, welcomed by the Director, Dr. Gauri Singh Gaur. Our Bureau Chief Dr. K.M. Tripathi have discussed women empowerment with the Director of the Institute.
अपने कॉलेज का, अपने माता पिता का, अपने समाज का, अपने कानपुर शहर का, पूरे देश का, जैसे कल हमारे एक भारतीय अभी स्पेस में गए हैं, तो इस तरह से कुछ ऐसा करिए कि दुनिया आपको याद रखे और गुड बुक्स में रहिए। जो आपके इस कॉलेज में सिखाया जा रहा, जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिली है, जय भारत।
And honesty is the reason for success. There are no shortcuts. Have self-confidence. Nothing is impossible. Impossible also says, I am possible. Thank you, dear ma'am, for your informative and illuminating words. Your expertise and insights greatly enrich the experience of the attendee. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And then I got married in Kanpur, and this is around the year 2007. And when I came here, I realized कि मेरा जो भी पढ़ाई और जो भी मेरा experience है, I think is not coming to any use here because there were no IT big companies here.
तो सार ये है, उसके बाद हाँ एक और टॉपिक रह गया, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट। हम जो महिलाएं, बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, उनकी माताएं तो नहीं पढ़ पाई, लेकिन वो काम करना चाहती थी, क्योंकि अभी भी यह है कि गांव में लिटरेसी बहुत कम है।
Gauri Singh Gaur. I am the director of College of Management Studies, which is affiliated to AKTU University, Lucknow. Today we have organized an international conference, and the theme of the conference is Women Empowerment, Breaking Barriers and Evolving for Success. For today's event, we have international speaker from US, Ms. Yashi Avasthi Sharma, and for national speakers we have Ms. Kriti Upadhyay, Kriti Shroff. She is the chairman of FICCI Flow. Ms. Sapna Upadhyay, she is the director of Ishwar Chand Child Welfare Society, Lucknow. Our guest of honors for today is Ms. Archana Singh. She is presently working as DCP Traffic Police Kanpur. Vice Chancellor of AKTU Lucknow, Dr. J.P. Pandey sir. All are there. Our conference is on online mode, in which our international speaker as well as JP sir will be available via online mode. All these speakers, the national and the international speaker, will be speaking on the topic women empowerment, which is based on what the barriers the women has faced to reach the top and how they have evolved themselves for the success. What were the challenges they have faced and how they have developed themselves. They have faced the obstacles, various obstacles that has been there in their journey. So all these speakers will be speaking on it. The condition of women in India is improving much. Before, what we can say, if I can talk about my mother. So at that time when she was born and brought up, at that time those facilities, the development was not there, which I have seen, and now my daughter will be getting more facilities and the better options of education, better options to explore the world, which she has now. So the things have changed. There are various laws who are protecting the women in the workplace, and society is also there to support, to help them rise whatever they are doing, and they are chasing their dreams. They're working for the betterment of their families. They're nurturing their families. At the same time, they're working. Uh, if we can take an example of working women, they are taking care of both the fields and nurturing their families as well as taking care of their careers. They are financially independent now. They can take their decisions. In which, what I can say, in today's world, if women are doing anything, it is just because of the man behind the scene. May it be their father, may it be their brother, may it be their spouse. Whosoever is there, they are supporting us. And the women today is doing something better, which they were doing earlier, and we can see the difference.
If you like this report, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dainik Nishpaksh Post and hit the bell icon to stay updated with real, unbiased news. Always for the people, by the people. No sides, just the truth.